we will discuss one more video, that is homologous series of compounds. What is homologous series, sir? And how to identify the homologous series of compounds? Now, before going to homologous series, I'll let you know some terms. First one is alkyl. What is alkyl, sir? Simply removal of hydrogen from alkane. Alkane. For example, if you take general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. The removal of one hydrogen here, CnH2n plus 1. This is alkane. This is alkyl. Alkyl. The removal of hydrogen from alkane is called alkyl. In the same manner, vinyl. What is vinyl, sir? Removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen from alkene is called vinyl. The third one is allyl. Removal of hydrogen from alkyne is called allyl. So this is the important terms: alkyl, vinyl, allyl. If you take a removal of hydrogen from aromatic compounds, that is called phenyl. You take benzene C6H6, okay, removal of hydrogen from benzene C6H5, that is called simply phenyl. Next, what is a homologous series? What is a homologous series? The series of carbon compounds in which you take here. Next topic is what is a homologous series? You need to write the homologous series of various compounds, or how to identify the homologous series. Homologous series. Definition: the series of organic compounds. The series of carbon compounds. The series of carbon compounds in which two successive or two adjacent carbons or two adjacent carbon atoms differ by one CH2 unit or 14 AMU atomic mass unit. This is called homologous series. What are the characteristics of homologous series, sir? Characteristics of homologous series. The first one is they have one general formula. They have one general formula. the general formula here? For example, if you take alkane, what is the general formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. If you take alkene, CnH2n. You take alkyne, general formula is CnH2n minus 2. You take alcohol, the general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH, etc. This is the first characteristic of homologous series. First, they have one general formula. Next one is the carbon atoms or the carbon compounds differ by 1 CH2 unit. The physical properties are different physical properties such as like melting point, boiling point, density, increasing with molecular mass or molecular weight or molecular mass. They have similar chemical properties. Okay, next, if you take example here, homologous series, you can observe compound. You can observe even compound formula and difference. If you take compound CH4 methane chemical formula is CH4. Ethane chemical formula C2H6. Their difference is equal to CH2. To take propane C3H8, difference between these two 1 CH2. Butane C4H10, their difference. Like that, if you take this is alkane, if you take alkene and alkane also, same compound formula. This is the alkane. For alkane, if you take for alkene also same. Compound is alkene, formula and difference. If you take CTH4 means ethene, propene, that is C2H4, C3H6. Their difference is equal to CH2 only. Butene C4H8, difference between these two compounds also CH2. So this is information about homologous series. Thank you one and all. We will meet next video.